Do you want to know how you can log into your Equitable Bank mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in into Equitable Bank Mortgage Login. So, go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, and in your search bar, go ahead and search Equitable Bank Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. Now, you can go ahead and write down your email address and your password and hit the sign in button, and you will be logged in into the Equitable Bank and you can manage your mortgage. You can also click on remember my email and you can register this device, which will make it easy for you in the future to log in. If you have in case forgotten your password, click on forgot password and then you can get your password back again and you can log into your account. And if you don't have an account, go ahead and click sign up, enter your personal details and then create an account for yourself. So this was a video on how you can log in to Equitable Bank Mortgage. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.